Alright, so here once again we're looking at writing fractions as decimals. Okay, so what we would do first is we look at our decimal, right? And it says, think 3 divided by 5. So take your top number divided by your bottom number. So this shows you how to do it with paper, and then if you use a calculator, you do the same thing. 3 divided by 5 equals 0.6. So that turns this fraction into a decimal. Okay, and then if we look over here on this side, it says write the fraction as a decimal. 2/25. So it says think divide 2 by, we're going to divide our top number by our bottom number. So 2 by 25. Alright, and then if we actually did that, we would say 2 divided by 25 here. And we use our calculator. 2 divided by 25 gives us 0.08, or 8 hundredths. Okay, now here we have another example like this one, just a fraction, 3 divided by 10. And if you remember, anytime we divide a number by 10, it just simply means that we take our number and we would move our decimal place back one place. Right? So this one would be 0.03. Or, no, 0.3, sorry. 0.3. Because, and you can see that on the calculator, it's going to give you 0.3. But anytime that you do it by a tenth, it just means you move it back one. Okay, then number 8 says 29 50ths. So here we would say 29 divided by 50. And it gives us 0.58, or 58 hundredths. Okay, so now let's look down here whenever it's a mixed number. Mixed numbers are really basically the same thing because you don't have to change the whole number, you just have to change the fraction. So the first thing you're going to do is divide your whole number. So you're going to say 1 divided by 4, and if you say 1 divided by 4, it's going to give you 0.25, or 25 hundredths. Okay? So then you're thinking, okay, I've got 5 and a fourth, which is going to be 5 plus 25 hundredths. So 5 fourths would equal 5.25. So again, whenever you got a whole number and a fraction making a mixed number, first thing you're going to do is you're just going to drop that whole number, put your decimal there after it. Then you're going to come here and you're going to work out a fraction and turn it into a decimal. And then whatever you get for your answer, it's going to go at the top. Okay? So if we look over here, we've got 3 and 9 tenths. Okay, so we know we're going to drop our 3, and then 9 tenths, you can use a calculator, or you could just remember, whenever we divide by 10, it just means take that decimal place back one position. So, it would become 3.9. Okay, and if we say 4 and 2/5, first thing, drop that 4, then you can use your calculator, take 2 divided by 5, gives you 0.4. And then you're just going to put the 0.4. Because if you had 4 plus 0.4, you can see it would still, you wouldn't have a 0 here with this. You would just write the 4 down, and you have 0.4. Okay, so that's how you do it.